There. Go ahead and lean forward. First. Okay, kind of your usual spots.
Yeah.
Right up top here, mid to lower back, and then right down to the tailbone.
Yeah.
And Cindy, you were kicking up high jump too?
Yeah.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor?
It kind of depends. I really liked outdoor last year because we had a lot of good weather.
Last year was like 70 degrees
Yes.
every day.
It was so nice. Yeah, I did my best at the outdoor meets because it was so warm, and so my body warmed up faster and would stay warm. But when it's rainy and cold and windy, it's just not ideal. I feel like track is so individualized though. Unless you're on a relay, it's like...
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Let's head to the table, and we will go just like that. Good. And come right on this side first. Take a deep breath in. Right there. There it was. Awesome. Other side, please. You're good.
Sorry.
There we go. Take a deep breath in. And out right there. That's what we want. Good. And we'll do the hips.
Okay.
And I'll do a little bit of that mid back too, right in between those shoulder blades. Left side first. Good. And right side. Awesome. And then we'll go face down for the mid back. Yeah, that's probably the upper body.
Yeah, I can feel
Workout you were doing. Let those arms fall all the way down to the ground for me. Good. You got it. Come right here. Take a deep breath in. And out. Yeah. That moved enough.
Yeah, it felt like it did for
There
sure.
we go.
Oh, nice.
How's that feel?
Feels way looser.
Better?
Yeah, I feel like it's moving.
Okay.
That feels much better.
Good
I don't know why
stuff.
it was so bad up there, but